Hello my friends, welcome to my new video. This time I'm gonna draw Denji and Pochita from Chainsawman. Like this video and share it with your friends. Support me by subscribe, click the bell, don't miss a video. Let's go.
Pump up the bass line. Pump up the pump up the bass line. Wait. Pump up the pump up the bass line.
They say to run when it all goes dark, but I know where I'm gonna be. Next to the girl with a broken heart and a temper like the fallen leaves. I want to have you, I'm nothing without you. The music, it needs you, and I do. I breathe you. Try to erase us, the look on their faces when they thought they'd break us. We were ready for the earthquake. their faces when they thought they'd break. We were ready for the earthquake. For the earthquake.
Finish it! I'm very happy with this one. What do you think? Comment down below. Which anime should I draw more? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See ya next time.